Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Do Not Disturb Keep Turning On in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, turn off schedule Do Not Disturb. Open setting. Now in setting, scroll down, click on sounds and vibration, click on Do Not Disturb. Scroll down, click on schedules and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off schedule Do Not Disturb from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, scroll down, click on reset device settings and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix Do Not Disturb keeps turning on in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.